4 benefits of cryptocurrency. 1. Simple transactions. Cryptocurrency transactions are more straightforward, cheaper, and more private than most other transactions. Anyone can send and receive a variety of cryptocurrencies using a simple smartphone application such as a hardware wallet. 2. High-level security. Decentralized cryptocurrencies often make for safe modes of payment since they are based on cryptography and blockchain security. Hash rate is an essential factor in cryptography security. 3. Increased industry growth. The cryptocurrency market has had some of the quickest growth. In 2013, the market capitalization of all cryptocurrencies was roughly $1.6 billion. It increased to approximately $1.4 trillion by June 2021. 4. Open round the clock. Unlike stock markets, which are open only on weekdays during regular business hours, cryptocurrency markets operate consistently every day of the week.